Today we will be making the Snowman Wobble-Head craft for Christmas. So for this project you will need a styrofoam cup with a hole in it. It's a rectangular hole. You will also need this rectangular piece of harder paper. I used some watercolor paper, and I also made a hole in it and put a small piece of toothpick through. You will also need a clothespin, some markers and crayons, and also the snowman head. I'm making this top hat design. There's also a Santa hat design or some earmuffs like this one. And you will also need 2 arms. So I will begin by coloring my snowman. So I need some black for the hat because it's a top hat. So I will just color the rim right here, and then the top of the hat, and you can also use markers for this. And then I will color this red ribbon part on the hat right here, and also the nose, the carrot nose, some orange and some pink right here for the blush, like so. So now I have my snowman colored, and I can also draw 3 buttons on here. So I need to look at my hole, and I need the long Y's is going to be the front, like so. So I'm going to draw some buttons right here with a Sharpie, like so. And when I have all my decorating ready, I will begin assembly. So I need to put this part through the top to make sure that the toothpick is above and it's going to hold it in place, like so. It's already wobbling. And then I will attach the clothespin on the bottom. I'm going to clip it to the rectangle inside as straight as possible. So I'm going to clip it, and it looks like this. And then I will be taping my snowman head to the top of the rectangle. So I can just put some tape on the back of the rectangle with the sticky side facing to the front, like so. And then I can attach my snowman to the front, like this. And let's check. It wobbles. Now the last thing to do is just attach these arms. I'm going to fold near the bottom here, each one, so that there's a way to attach them to the body. And then I'm just going to take a piece of tape. You can also use some clear tape, and I'm going to attach them to the sides, like so, so they're sticking out. And also the other arm on the other side of the snowman, like so. Thank you for watching.